And that's the reason why I became a police officer and you couldn't. Oh, is it on? Hello, I am Officer Puppo and this is my show. Today I will be teaching you about firework safety. This fireman is going to teach us how to safely use fireworks.
Well, as far as fireworks safety within the city limits of Fort Worth, we encourage everyone to go see a professional fireworks show. Don't pop your own fireworks. Consumer grade fireworks in the city limits of Fort Worth are illegal.
Wait a minute. Are you saying that I can't shoot off fireworks here in Fort Worth?
If we find you with fireworks, you'll either receive a $2,000 fine or we will take your fireworks.
You're saying that all of these that I bought down here I can't fire off?
Not a single one.
Roman candles.
Roman candles are illegal in the city of Fort Worth.
Sparklers.
Even sparklers are illegal.
Firecrackers.
Firecrackers are illegal in the city of Fort Worth.
What about snap pops?
Snap pops, I believe, are going to be okay, Officer Puppo.